Customized to fit, 3 removable, adjustable dividers allow you to create the perfect size compartments for all your bottles, sponges and more. Brings items up front. Stainless steel ball bearings provide smooth, 360 degrees rotation in either direction. No installation required. Remove the turntable from the box, place adjustable dividers where you like, and load supplies. No assembly or installation required. No slips, no surprises. The sturdy design and non-slip feet allow you to rotate the under sink turntable in either direction without sliding around. The turntable can hold up to 30 pounds. Size and quality. SinkSuite Under Sink Turntable measures 12.0 in diameter by 3.3 high. Made from high-quality plastic that is easy to clean. Provides the perfect under sink spot to store and organize cleaning supplies, bottles, sponges and more. The SinkSuite Under Sink Turntable rotates smoothly to bring items from the back of the cabinet forward so you can quickly find and reach what you need. Its 12 diameter fits, and actually spins, under the sink, while adjustable dividers create separate sections to keep bottles upright. With under sink supplies organized and elevated, cleaning your bathroom or kitchen will be a breeze. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. We did a kitchen remodel and under the sink I had all sorts of items needing to be organized such as counter cleaners, stainless cleaners, dish soap, dishwasher gel, sponges, cleaning brushes, etc. It was a mess. Although I ended up also purchasing a metal 2-tiered rack as well on Amazon, this helped with the smaller items that I don't use as much. What's great about this also are the insert pieces. They can be moved around or completely eliminated to maximize space. So much more tidy now.